No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sounds like a jumbo jet, doesn't it? Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel on another video. Something a bit different today. We're in Mel's Mondeo. She's at work, so I've stolen it. As you can probably hear, it's a lot louder than mine. Probably got quite a bit of wind noise. We're currently in convoy with Luigi. The Saturdays, when you've got the day off, it's all about tinkering with cars. So today we are tinkering with Mel's, and we've got a set of H&R lowering springs. I do believe it's about a 40mm drop, and they came with some shocks, so I may as well chuck them on. We're off to Parker's now to get some top mounts, because it's always advisable to fit new top mounts when you're doing the suspension. And basically, yeah, stay along for the journey. We're gonna get some content today for you, and hopefully by the end of the day, Mel's 2.5 will finally be lowered. It's been a long time coming, but I quite assume now, financially sorted, that this Mondeo will be one to watch. And obviously, doing the channel, Mel being my partner, we can do some videos together of them both and document the progress from how it started to how it is now. I mean, most of you that know us will know that it's a 2.5, it's got a few bits done to it, it's had all the facelift conversion just like mine has. So yeah, video coming soon on that, guys. Stay tuned. Right, so I thought we'd pull over as it was a nice opportunity to show you around the two cars. So we're going to show you now. So obviously that's Mel's. Looks like it's on stilts, look, compared to Lou's. And it's nice to see Luigi in a 2.5 Mondeo. Needs a bit of TLC, but it was cheap. And it's going to be a great project. And like I say, you're probably going to see this a lot on the YouTube channel, as me and Lou do a lot after work hours. Sat on 20-inch wheels lowered. It's a nice arch gap. It's going to get this kit painted and stuff like that. Sounds not too bad as well. Gives a rev. See, compared to mine, that one's quite deep. It sounds more like a Focus. It's got two little race cans on the back. Mel's is straight piped because she's an Asbo. But yeah, hopefully this afternoon this one should look a lot lower. Proper Asbo Mondeo this is. I was trying to catch some exhaust notes for you. It's nearly as loud as the Focus, Mel, nearly, but not quite as loud. We'll give it a little blip. Right guys, quick stop off at Mark's Motor Spares for some caliper paint. This is where we get all the caliper paint mixed up. He's got charts, can mix any colour, car paints, does a few tools as well. So if you want anything guys and you are local to Nottingham, make sure you check out this guy, Mark's Motor Spares. Right guys, so we're off to Parker's now. Get these top mounts. Sounds like a jumbo jet, doesn't it? See you soon guys. That's the top mounts collected, courtesy of Clive for sorting them out for me, and Bob at Parker's. So the next thing to do is send it to Mark's.
Juice like a snow cone, ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash overseas by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go. Señoritas going loco, make it bounce like a pogo. All my haters see rojo, they big mad cause they coming up short like Frodo. Activate the beast mode, I keep it hot, give your brain a heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic B-roll. The world is mine like my name's Pacino. Hey, it's Nico, I guess I'm back. Catch me in the fast lane on the right track. And my shorty is a 10 like a dime bag. Got me feeling like a millie, check the price tag. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, ain't no time for pit stop. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, cause my style. No time for daydreams. All my brothers get money, we call it gang green. Just another day, but our focus still on the same thing. Us against everyone else, I recommend you change teams. Who the hottest in the city? We the top two. You said your music was litty, but that is not true. Just being honest, you should really just stop, fool. Matter of fact, empty no pockets, give me that watch too. My mind is wicked, that's why I spit it so hostile. Freaky girls in the crib, it's like I live in a brothel. All I spit is Leviticus, but I'm not an apostle. My nuts hang low, long and they colossal. Black trader, black sheep, messiah to the misfits. Run circles, run these rappers to my shin splits. You a little late to the party, baby, I've been lit. If you ain't on the friend list, you better mind your business. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, ain't no time for pit stop. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, cause my style.
There she is, lowered on H&R springs. We chucked the dampers on as well because it was newer than the ones that were on there. So guys, that's the suspension lowered on Mel's Mondeo. It's looking pucker. What I'll do is when the car's at a stage where she's happy with it, we'll do a full feature on it, but for now that'll do. Some more content for the channel. And also, while I've got you, what I'm planning on doing, and I've had a fair bit of interest so far through Facebook, is what we're going to do is we're going to do a big Mondeo meetup, but it's got to be a 2.5. So we want to smash a big 2.5 Mondeo meet. So if you're interested, like the Rich ST YouTube Facebook page. It's something like facebook.com/RST Automotive. Go give it a like, keep your eye out for the posts, because in about a month's time we're going to do a mega Mondeo meet, mega 2.5 Mondeo meet. But those that have made it this far, thank you very much. As always, please like and subscribe. I was hoping it might drop a bang. Sounds amazing, this does. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.